What's up, guys? This is your boy James, aka Six8Jay, coming to you on this Sunday. Is that what it is? Good Lord, I get Monday. Okay, I get tied up on my days. It's Monday. Kind of crazy feeling when you don't know what day it is. Pretty crazy. It's Monday, guys. I appreciate you guys in a major way. We got Nest Force in the house. Crypto OG, my brother. Crypto Navigator, always one away, the greatest family on planet Earth. EARF. By the way, guys, Marvin Davis, what's up, my brother? By the way, I appreciate you in a major way, Crypto G. If you guys look at the new version, the newly sexy version, can I say that about a website? That might be going a little overboard. See if I can find it. It is called right here. SHKKcoin.com. Shouts out to Crypto OG for taking what we already had and making it look even better. We're gonna get right into that, but let's keep it going. Right now we got a market cap of $2.22 trillion. Bitcoin down quite a bit, guys. It came back over that $60,000 mark, but I tell you what, had a lot of people scared. Not scared, scared is when but scared is when, oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Stop it, control those emotions. $60,379, guys. We got it there right now at $3,300. Oh my God, what's gonna happen? The world's gonna end. Wasn't it $900 when the whole FTX thing happened for Ethereum? Wasn't on Bitcoin 15,000? I'm just saying, calm your butt down. BNB right now at 562, guys. We got Solana right now at 129. XRP hasn't moved as much as I thought it would. I mean, it's moved. I mean, but, not as much as I thought it would move. When you dip, we dip, just like that. But, XRP hasn't, to see Bitcoin go from, 72,000 down to 59? I thought XRP be like 30-something cents the way it was moving before, but it's showing a little bit of strength. What's going on, huh? We're going to talk about that in a minute. We got Dogecoin now at 11 cents. ADA coming at 37 cents. TRX at 11 cents. Shiba, 4 zeros and a uno. That's Guarato Zeros and uno, for those of you guys who know a little Spanish. Poquito. AVAX right now is at 24.21. We got Chainlink coming in at 13.29. My phone was making noise. Near, let's make it clear, 5.35. Matic coming in at 55 cents. Uniswap at 8.95. Pepe, good Lord, what's going on with Pepe? 4 zeros and a 1. Will it possibly go back down to 5 zeros? Well, if Bitcoin keeps dipping, the market gets to tripping. Did that rhyme? What's up, Nest Force in the house? Nest Force, Crypto Navigator, my brothers. I'm sick of going sideways now, right? When you dip, we dip, just like that. You know it is. Crypto Navigator. Castle right now is at 15 cents, guys. We got APT at 676. Render, RNDR is at 738. We got HBAR at 7 cents. Atom, 667. XLM is at 8 cents. Arbitrum is at 78 cents. Filecoin, 433. What I'm saying, red. Let me stop. The whole market is red. Why keep going, huh? Just take a look at it. That's good enough for right now. We're going to get on into it. We got a lot to talk about. We got a lot to talk about today, baby. If you guys get a chance, do me a huge personal favor. Go over to our Crypto for Life YouTube page. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe and notification bell so you guys don't miss any of the incredible information on our channel. Appreciate you guys in a major way. Let's keep this party started, huh? No one has a perfect life. No one does. Facts. Everybody has their own problems. Some just know how to deal with it in a perfect way. They don't bitch. They don't moan. They don't complain. They just deal with it, huh? Hans Loaded in the house. What's up, Hans Loaded? Smash the likes. Hit that subscribe. My brother, Hans Loaded. Frankie Legend, what's up, my brother? I'll see you tonight. By the way, guys, we got one hell of a show tonight. We're going to talk about here in a little bit. Calm down. I'm getting too hard ahead of myself. Don't get shaken out by corrections, especially not at this stage of the cycle. You got to understand, know what you hold, baby. It's not like we haven't had big, oh my God, we're going to zero. Nope, it stayed right in the rainbow effect here. Oh my God, nope, stop it. Retracement's healthy, came back up, retracement. And where are we at? We're in a little bit of a, when you dip, we dip, just like that. Now think about this, right in this area right here, right? Now, could we have further downside? Yes. And most likely, yes. Because look at it. Look at how these patterns go. So you go way up here to the top in your bull run, you come down, and it kind of has like a little bit of a sideways capitulation, then a little bit of a hiccup, down, and then back up. If you look at this last part right here before the last, well, this would be the last bull run. But if you look prior to this, when it kind of went up and it looked like it dipped halfway before coming down, we're actually looks like we're right there, right? If you kind of go back right here. So I can see further corrections. I can see it. I can see further corrections, and it's not necessarily saying we won't, but if you look at everything here, it looks like it's actually tapped down on the blue part of the rainbow here twice. 1, 2, 3 times here. 1, 2, almost 3 times there. 1, 2 right there, 1, and we hadn't had. So I think we're coming down. Okay, I think we're coming down. And based off of this chart that I see here, but we'll show some other stuff based off some other people's TA. You need to understand, that there are rules and structure most follow. Many wealthy people don't operate this way. Those who are wealthy tend to operate out of bounds of those said rules and structure. Not in a bad way, just not by any means following the norm. Now, this was sparked by something I was watching on Club Shay Shay. I'm gonna show that here in a little bit. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Remember that saying right there, and then I'll go back to it. How about that? I should have probably put the video closer to this. Today at 5 p.m., guys, this was posted by my man, my brother, Cassius Cuvée. We created a thumbnail so he can share it with his community as well. We're going to be on live tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm really looking forward to that. Also, myself and Mike O are going to be guests on VTHO with my sister, World Be Free, this Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's going to be absolutely incredible. But tonight, make sure you guys tune in. We're going to have some of our ambassadors on talking about SHKK. SHKK coin. And the fact that this coin is still doing very well, if you go over here to CoinMarketCap, and you can, even though we're not actually listed here yet, one of our goals and things are being filled out and taken care of now to make sure we go in that direction. You can go to, let me see here. What is it? SH? And you can see SHKK. You can just hit the top thing right here, and it'll show you that not any red in our with our coin. Anybody who's bought right now has been holding on strong. Right now we're at a $16.18 million market cap. If you look over here, nothing but green. The little bit of dips you see here is probably bot trading, because we haven't had anyone selling this coin. 7 zeros and a 4. If you got in this coin early on, hey, you're in profit already. But, people in it for the long term. You can see right here, buy. And these little cells, look at the cells. They're like, not much of anything. Not much of anything. It's trading. That's the only thing I can think of is trading. But for the most part, is buy. Any bigger amounts is buy. Any smaller amounts are probably bot trading. Anyways, that's why our price is still going up to the upside, and that's why we continuously grow. And I like one of the things that I saw over here with SHKK Coin's official site. For those of you guys who don't know, they've been running a meme contest. There's been some pretty cool memes. We'll go over those in just a little bit. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. But I like one of the posts that they actually put in here. What did it say here? We'll get into that in a little bit. Shouts out to my sister Liz. I'm about to read that. So, guys, make sure you two guys tune in tonight at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be an incredible show. Learn about SHKK from the community and the ambassadors themselves. Dr. Martin Heisbach. Is that how you say it? Bosek. Heisbosek. Bitcoin dips below 60,000. All U.S. miners are now in the red. They have to continue selling all Bitcoin to make ends meet. This is the worst case scenario to describe in March, or scenario we described in March. Because of minor centralization, their actions and economic planning have an outsized effect on the price of Bitcoin. What's more, all ETF buyers are now sitting in losses. All ETF buyers are now sitting in losses. Wait for them to capitulate, and we'll revisit 48,000 easily. Now, if you look at what he's saying here, retrace, go back to 48,000 easy. Now, there's a couple things that will help this. And you go back to this chart, we can come down here and be down in that 40, maybe even lower than that, $1,000 mark before we go to the upside. Now, that just means that the rest of the market is going to go down as well. You know how it is. Bitcoin dips, we dip just like that. Now, getting back to what he's saying here, you can see where he says we could revisit 48,000 easy. By late August, September, job losses will mount rapidly, and the Fed will start cutting rates into dramatically deteriorating economy. Contrary to expectations, stocks will not rally, but the AI dream valuations will finally burst. Markets are always right, and no Mt. Gox and German-sized BTC selling had nothing to do with it. Oh, he's putting that to rest. Don't worry about it. Understand the markets. Okay, I hear what he has to say. I'm going to go ahead into it anyway. I think a lot of people are scared. A lot of people, what's up, Dave Adams? A lot of people are scared. Mt. Gox to begin $9 billion repayment plan in July. That's like over half of all the ETH inflows being negated in one shot. Darn it. He said, damn, darn it. So, could this concern, and I saw this, when I saw this yesterday about Mt. Gox, I was like, it's probably going to flood a lot of people out. But I tend to go back to listen to what Dr. Martin here said in regards to his analogy on why things are going down and why we can see a bit of a dip. We're going to go more into that here in just a second with a couple of these charts. Today is going to be a great day. Let's get after it relentlessly. Say it, believe it. What the hell's wrong with me? I need some coffee. I only got some water today. I'm trying to lay off the I had coffee this morning. I don't want to double dose. I don't like overdose on coffee. What happened to 6-8? I drunk too much damn coffee. Amazon bubble. Now, I don't know if you guys know my man, Crypto Savvy. And a lot of times I don't, I got love for my man, Crypto Savvy. He be kind of going off the deep end with some of these things, kind of like VTHO, in the sense that he'll he's not a big supporter of a lot of other cryptos, and that's all right. It happens. So he tends to talk down on XRP and a lot of other coins that they're going to go, basically dump. But I always listen to his TA because a lot of times it plays out for the most part. And I'm not saying this is going to play out because it's pretty extreme, but there are things that are in place that could maybe play a part in some of his over-the-top evaluations to the downside. Now, what I mean by that is, and I got much love and respect for Crypto Savvy. Been on my channel, been very giving to the channel and all that stuff. But, man, it would have to be a black swan event to get us down to some of the numbers that he's talking about. Now, if we hit 48,000 like Dr. Martin was talking about, which is right in this area here, you can see that it kind of starts going down into a downward trend as he's talking about. What he's talking about here is the Amazon.com bubble pop versus a Bitcoin bubble pop. And there are a lot of similarities, guys. If you look at how it plays out during the time that it plays out, I can see this happening. Now, if you add in the fact that all the stuff is curiously being talked about right now about Tether, in addition to, Mt. Gox, I see what Dr. Martin was talking about. Oh, that won't play a big part. But some of the things he's talking about with miners selling off and so forth. And if for some reason there is some downward or some things that come out with Tether, this can definitely send us down. And if that happens, where he sees us going, if this plays out the same as a bubble pop, which just means all scams, and we've seen some scams already. Terra Luna, FTX, Celsius. There's been some that kind of took us down to that 15,000 mark. But good Lord, could you imagine Tether going down? Could you imagine? Oh, it's not going to happen. Okay, you better wake your butt up. You better wake your butt up because I believe it's the ace of spades. I've been saying it forever. If that happens, then this may be valid. And that could definitely send us down into like COVID-type lows, like way down. And so he sees us coming back under this $8,000 mark, and where it could go from there, who in the hell knows? I know there's going to be a lot of panic if that happens. A lot of people are going to be like, oh my God, I don't know what the hell am I going to do? What the SHKK am I going to do? I don't know. I better have a plan. Banks will not give up privacy. It's actually the law. So you all thinking XRPL is going to be used, but it will be a public data. Are living in a fantasy world. So those of you guys, okay, that's what he's saying. Make sure you guys read this. Sometimes people don't always write things out where it makes sense, but it's all good. Bitcoin price drops as investors sell the news on Mt. Gox repayment announcement, analyst says. Now, this may be interesting reading. It kind of contradicts what Dr. Martin was saying. He's saying he doesn't think is that, but I've been around this space long enough to know that I've seen where India said they were going to, like back in the day, India was like, we're not dealing with crypto. And then all of a sudden tanked. China, we're banning crypto. And then it tanked. So, news can cause retracement. So regardless of what I'm seeing here or what Dr. Martin was saying, I have seen markets move to the downside because of different news. So if you guys want to know more about that, make sure you guys open this up and take a look at it. The true test is staying positive when you're going through a lot. Staying positive. That's easier said than done. Staying positive when you're going through a lot. Okay, that's for sure. Bo Rabbit's in the house. What's up, Bo Rabbit? Keep going this way. 6-7 days a week. Yeah, pay my. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you, navigator. Okay, Lord. Yeah, I hear you, brother. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen when it's supposed to. You got to say there's just a lot of factors going on here. Crypto nav. A lot of factors. And some of those factors are corrupted. Based. They have to play out, but I do believe, my brother, you're gonna have your time. That's why we're here, my man. That's why we're here. That's right, Alan. Liz says, hopefully not much longer, but we'll see how it plays out. Again, these things just got to, we got to see how they play out. Anyways, this is in response to the SHKK coin meme contest that I believe ends today. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it ends today. So I believe on the ambassador call, Dave Adams, one of our ambassadors, one of my good buddies, he said that what we'll probably do is vote on the memes that we think are the best. So what we'll probably do is look at the different memes that were submitted and vote on the top 3, picking a first, second, and third place winner, and then we'll probably announce that on the show tonight. Okay, here's one of the memes. We'll go through and show you guys. They're all very, very short. Here's one of them right here. We'll take a look at it. That was a cool one. I've been getting a kick out of looking at these memes, and we'll kind of go through them through the stream. When your heart is pure and true, God has a way of making sure everything works out in your favor. That right there, that's for you, Crypto Navigator, and the rest of the family that's having a little stress. I'm going to say it one more again. Can I say it again? I think so. When your heart is pure and true, God has a way of making sure everything works out in your favor. I don't normally give too much spiritual stuff because I try to stay away from that and politics and because certain things people get mad at, but at the end of the day, facts are facts. XRP, BTC, all the riddles, partnerships, know what you hold, nonsense, made many miss 4x or 3x life-changing calls. We'll make sure to take profits on the top of those influencers who wrecked you with their nonsense, and that's facts. You got to take profit, guys. All that know what you hold. That's the truth. That's why I post it. But when this thing goes up, make sure you have a plan in place. You disrespect yourself every time you let something slide that does not sit right with you. I agree with that. Don't take SHKK from anyone. Don't let yourself be controlled by 3 things: people, money, or past experiences. And I think that kind of comes up a lot. I was talking to some people today about SHKK coin, and it's amazing because you'll find a lot of people rightfully that have questions. We've been able to answer all the questions. We're really excited about what we're doing, and we'll get more into that tonight. I don't want to talk too much about that right now because we'll get into more of that tonight. But it's just amazing because people will invest in all these different things and really are clueless to who's running these things, where they're and so we have something really special in place. I don't want to talk too much into it because we're going to be covering those things tonight on the call, and I'm really excited. Is this going to be an amazing call tonight? But going back to this right here, don't let past. The reason I said that in regards to this is don't let past experiences keep you from amazing opportunities. They should teach you to be careful and to definitely do your research, your due diligence, the whole 9. But don't let anything taint you from other life changing opportunities is what I'm going to say. And I've never been that way. If I find something that's bad, it's kind of like this person treat me bad. I'm not going to go blame all those people for that person's ignorance. And so every situation is unique. Make sure you do your research on all the things that you're doing. Let's see here. Let me open this up. It says, I'm tired of pump and dump memes. I needed a community here for the long term. That's why I'm all in on SHKK, baby. Created by us for us. I love it. It is important to know what you hold, and it is just as important to know who is behind what you hold or hodl, which is why we have a strong community with SHKK coin, and our ambassador team is amazing. You guys want to check it out? Here goes the amazing link here again. Shouts out to my man, Crypto OG for putting this, to taking what we had already created, or Mike O had created, and cleaning it up is absolutely amazing. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Congratulations and shouts out and much love to Crypto OG for taking that to another level. And you guys can also check out our SHKK coin Telegram, YouTube, which has barely got anything on there. We're going to be putting more content on there. Matter of fact, we'll be streaming live on there tonight, and SHKK coin as well. Appreciate you guys in a major way. Let's keep this party rocking. Tether discontinuing support for EOS. And Algorand ends USDT minting on both blockchains. Why is that, huh? You start removing yourself from this, removing yourself from that, getting kicked out of countries here, having some issues there, and all of a sudden, if you guys want more information on that, make sure you guys click this and check it out. Yeah, it looks great, Liz. Thank you, Liz. It looks amazing. Shouts out to Crypto G. What's up, Bullish Big D in the house? We got so many things we're working on, guys. It's so much fun. Me and Mike are like little kids now. It's funny because we're not young kids. I mean, a lot of these, guys probably who start memes, you don't know what country they're in. They're probably just wet behind the ears. They're looking to start something to dump on you. We're two 50-plus-year-old guys who've had our time. We're enjoying our time. We're still living our dream. We're creating movies. We got business things. We're in crypto. We got something that we created for us, by us. And I'm just so grateful for Mike O for bringing that to life. And so incredibly honored to have the team that's going to be, you guys will see tonight on the show. We got such a phenomenal team, man. I was sitting around talking to World Be Free about it today. I was talking to Mike O and some others, and it really is a pleasure and a blessing to have that type of those type of people around you. It's just incredible. This advice will change your life. Muhammad Ali was a smart guy. When I said, I listened to us, this guy's pretty smart, which we knew that all already. He used to talk a lot of stuff, but especially before his fight, but he's a pretty intelligent guy. Let's listen in.
I'm happy because I'm fulfilling my purpose of life. See, everything was created for purpose. Trees have a purpose. The moon has a purpose. Rats have a purpose. Insects, everything God created has a purpose. That's another one of my lectures entitled The Purpose of Life. And the wise man is he who knows his life purpose. See, 10 men with the knowledge of their purpose are more powerful than 1,000 men working from morning until evening and who don't know their purpose.
Wow, 10 men are more powerful with their purpose than 1,000 people. And I think about that too. A small group like SHKK coin, with the right people, doing things the right way will be more powerful than a lot of these. We talked to several people in the meme space. We've been getting mentored by, me and Mike have been really putting ourselves in front of the right people to make sure that we're doing, everything is being done right, as are the other ambassadors. And man, shouts out to all, man, some of you guys, oh my gosh, some of you guys who are ambassadors are just next level. And sometimes you learn a lot about people, in their journeys. You see people posting. That to me is huge. Even if you're posting and taking initiative to repost, that's huge. Like Liz, even what she's doing now, huge. Liz has been doing this since the day I met Liz, or the day she's been a part of this family, and she continues to do that. And to see people like JC above and beyond, Crypto OG above and beyond, Dave and Josh above and beyond, and others who are sitting there, Cassius Cuvée, who was posting stuff. That means a lot. From the biggest effort to the smallest effort is an effort. Big or small, the last part is what's most important. Big effort, small effort is huge. No effort, well, that's a little different. But I definitely appreciate you guys. Me and Mike are recognizing all those who are making that effort as ambassadors. And we thank you guys so much. And even for a lot of you guys who are not ambassadors, to show up, to like, to repost, we appreciate you guys in a major way. Thank you guys so much for all that you're doing. I love this part right here. We are only as strong as we are united, as weak as we are divided. I think I kind of forgot something there. I do that from time to time. It happens. The power of books. The power of books. J.K. Rowling became a billionaire writing books. Jeff Bezos became a billionaire selling books. Warren Buffett became a billionaire reading books. Books, okay? People begin to dislike you when they are unable to exert control over you. Once again, guys, what the heck is SHKK? Tune in tonight, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Is going to be absolutely off the chain. And if you're not there, all I can say is, what in the SHKK are you thinking about? Let me stop. Teamwork makes the dream work. Liz already knows. Teamwork makes the dream work. SHKK Telegram and followers are growing every day. And that's a fact. And again, we're going to talk about it tonight, but our goal, I remember when I was telling this to World Be Free. One of my biggest things when I looked at this thing, because a lot of people, you got people who get it. I always say SW next. Some will, some won't. So what next? You get some people that will support us. Some people don't even know about us, and we'll get to those. And then there's even some people who will hate on us, and it will be the people who. And it's funny because you'll get certain people that might, well, I don't know if I want to be a part of that. Be a part of what? Because for those of you guys who remember, I'll say it again, and I was talking to World Be Free about this, and that is that Doge was, when it came out, a joke. Until it wasn't. It's just funny because it's the mindset of the person who missed Bitcoin for whatever reason. It was either you didn't know about it or you knew about it and didn't react. I know a lot of people said, I saw it, but I didn't really understand. I didn't get it. And that's kind of the mindset, right? Doge, when it came out, I remember when I first got onto Robinhood, and you could get, it seemed like a cajillion, if that's even a damn word, Doge for like $20. It was just ridiculous. Just like Shiba, $100 in Shiba in the beginning in 2021, you'd have been millions and millions, tens of millions of dollars, like $100 million or something like that off $100. It was some crazy number from when Shiba first got started. And the point I'm trying to make is, whatever that number is, the point I'm trying to make is a lot of times we don't believe in things until it happens. Nobody was out there. I mean, think about it. How many people here saw Doge when it was first came out? I did. And how many people put in $1,000? I didn't. Didn't see it for what it was, because it said on the website, is a joke. I didn't even know who the hell started it. I didn't know where the hell they were at. I just know it was cheap, so I bought like 20, 30, 40, and I just kept buying some. And initially, I bought more, and it got up. I was dollar cost averaging it in. And then Shiba came around. And in 2021, I remember seeing a Shiba bag that was up over 800 and something grand, just my Shiba alone. And it was just a joke. It was a copycat of, we're going to do this. But no one really understood. And I'm not talking bad of it because I got it. I got Doge as well. What I'm saying is, I'm very well diverse. What I'm saying is both of those things were a joke, and many people didn't take it serious until it was. And they both ended up having strong communities, which, and so a lot of the philosophies of things that have made it attracted us to the things that we're doing now. But I want it to be bigger than just a solid community. I want it to be a community that's accountable to an ambassador team, that's accountable to those who actually put all this in place. And I'm part of that ambassador team. And so that accountability is, like I was telling World Be Free, when you take so many amazing people that we all know, we love and care about, people we can see, touch, feel, have access to. Some of them have been right here in Vegas all this stuff, people that we can touch, we know their backgrounds, I couldn't tell you anything. Some of these people just got lucky. Some of these people who probably meme coins up in the top 10, top 15, top 20, top 100, never had any business dealings, just were in the right place at the right time and got enough people to jump in behind it. So we're focused on our community. We focus on our ambassadors. We're focused on letting people know who we are. Our backgrounds tell the story. We're not people who just got in this trying to figure out how to do it. We're winning in a lot of areas in our life. So a lot of us are, as a matter of fact. And we brought those amazing people together to put something extraordinary in place. And one of the quotes that I saw on the website here, was let's see if I can find it. It was the turtle and the hare that was posted. And what does it say here? See if I can read it. Right here. I like this. It says, one of my favorite stories is the tortoise and the hare with SHKK. It says, with SHKK, we wanted to build a meme project that was solid, and will be around for years to come. Yes, we're just a meme coin, but a meme with integrity and created for the sophisticated investor. Basically, the person who knows what they're doing, the person who's not just throwing money at whatever, the person who understands anything you do. You want to make sure you're doing your research, doing your own due diligence, and never invest more than you can afford to lose in anything, whether it's XRP, Bitcoin, or anything, which is why a lot of people are getting wrecked and will get wrecked as we go down further in this market. It was created, it says created understanding the best things in life come in time and with patience. But I am personally the kind of person, and so is Michael and many others that I know that are in this space as well. We build, with a purpose. We build things, never sacrifice integrity for growth. And it's funny because as we were talking to one of these meme guys who were kind of mentoring us on everything, guys who made money, done very well in the space. One of the things that was being said is how a lot of these meme coins, and again, I'll probably be able to say this more because we probably won't be talking about this tonight. They start with almost like a how would I say it? I wouldn't say a vision. I would say a mirage of what they put out there to people. They'll, one person told us people go out there and create all these wallets, and then divide the coins up so it gives an appearance that there's more people in it. They'll go out there and they'll pay to have their Telegram have 10,000 plus people overnight, or their X to have 10,000 people. And we're like, no, come on now, no. And we're gonna, our thought process, we want to be real, REAL, real. We want to be organic. We want things to grow as they should, and so we're really excited about that. So it's when you look at what we're doing, how we're doing it, we're really, really excited. Let's move on. So it's our SHKK project and community is strong. I love it. And then here's some more you can find in regards to that. So shouts out to the Crypto for Life family, my family, and the SHKK coin family, my family as well. Vibing alone to fix yourself is self-care. I believe that as well. Brock Pierce, Tether founder. I bet dimes to donuts. When I hear that, I know that's DAI. I bet dimes to donuts. That's the thing. Like Brad Kimes is, come on in. His is, I bet dime to donuts. I love that. This guy knows a bigger plan. I think that we'll see what happens. Tether played a critical function. You needed and 1 point. Okay, I'm a little off on this one, but basically what he's saying is the digital dollar, whether it be Circle, Tether, or whomever, real USD. Okay. I got caught up trying to read that one, but let's see what he has to say in 46 seconds.
Tether is doing, $50 trillion a year in sort of transactional volume. It's the most traded cryptocurrency in the world. I think that, we'll see what happens. It played a critical function. You needed and one point I like to make with, certainly in the US as we talk about this, the digital dollar, whether it be Circle, Tether, or whomever, has about 97% market share in, call it the new economy, these future monetary rails. The US dollar is the reserve currency in all crypto transactions, which I think is a very good thing from a US perspective. And I like to remind US legislators of this fact.
Okay. Just saying, if there's anything that can get us down in that .com bubble pop, it's going to be what's going on with Tether. Oh, man, I'm just saying. I can't wait till RLUSD comes out and is operated and, things will be done the right way. They will judge you anyway, so keep going. Facts. What does it say right here? So this is talking about the Bitcoin correction. BTC after weeks of being patient. Glad we knew the 16% correction was coming. The precision. So he's showing where he feels we're going to get into this orange box, and he's saying that's at. Okay, so we entered in around 67. So that's where we're at now. But where's Bitcoin? Did Bitcoin get out of that box? Did it drop past that box? Where's it at now? Let's see, where are we at now? Okay, 60,000. So I guess we're in that box, but we're not far from dropping out of that damn box, because if this is 60,000, I mean, I can't really tell where that lines up here, but it looks like 60. I mean, we dropped out that box and came back, so maybe we went out of that box and came back in, but we're in this box right now, and whether or not we, hold this support or break past the support to find lower support, which, you've seen Dr. Martin say 48,000. That could be, could play out. We'll see how that works. Whatever you are doing, don't let the past move your mind. Don't let the future disturb you. Okay. SHKK coin. More about this kind of little community, little daily crypto news meme thing that's going on. Pretty cool. If you read it, actually kind of reads all this is actually valid. So if you open this up, all this is amazing. I love it. Appreciate you guys in a major way. Okay, what else we have here? Focus on personal growth without seeking attention. Facts. Boom. One digital asset will run the world. Behind the scenes. I don't know if that's I don't know about one digital asset. Okay, that might be a little over the top. Hardest thing right now is finding people with pure intentions. Facts. Make it even more so. That's a damn fact. Deutsche Bank backed Taurus expands digital asset custody issuance issuance offering to Stellar. Stellar is a big deal. XLM, know what you hold. A life-changing blessing is coming your way. Facts, I believe that. My man, Digital Perspective, you guys get a chance, make sure you check him out. It's about 13 minutes long. He says XRP price, earthquake, rumor, leak, Ripple, IMF, Enbridge, and Petro Yuan. Wow, okay. We have our SHKK community is strong. Not one single cell will readily rising. Why? Because we believe, baby. That's why. Mount Gox repayments to start in July. We're gonna see how that. You'll see how that plays out if it actually winds up having a more of an effect than we think it is. 37 minutes in. Shouts out to my man Cassius Cuvée, showing some. This is what I'm talking about. The little things, reposting, liking. The little things are amazing. Bullish Bird, what's up, Bullish Bird in the house? What up, Crypto for Life family? My brother Jonathan McFall. Lucky, being prepared and ready for the great opportunity wherever it arrives. My brother Jonathan knows, huh? Appreciate you, little bro. Most people invest in things without knowing who created it. I like this right here. I got to open this up. Let's read this. Most people invest in things without knowing who created it, where they are located, what type of people are behind it, or are leading the meme project. With SHKK coin, you know who we are, where we are, and the type of people leading the way. With our SHKK coin ambassadors team and crypto community fully disclosed, there's no mystery. Unlike most memes in the space, and we're not trying to down talk them, notice that we didn't name one in the crypto space, but we're spitting facts. A lot of people don't realize 99.9%. There's thousands of memes created a day. How many do you see in the top 100? How many do you think actually exist more than? It's astonishing. I was reading one thing that said most of them don't even last past 48 hours, 72 hours. That's crazy. Wow. We heard some things that me and Mike O were like, what? People really do that? What? I guess it just takes a different mindset to understand the type of crap or the type of SHKK that people try to pull in this space. It's unbelievable. Okay, so unlike most memes in the crypto space, we're here for the right reasons, to give people an opportunity to be a part of something real. I'm not here to waste my time. I ain't got time to waste my time. I've done too many things in my life to waste my time. Oh yeah, we're flying out to Canada and to sit around and just video record us like we're doing this. And yeah, no. And that's one thing that I was talking to World Be Free. It's funny because she was saying how she went to my Instagram and my Facebook and looked way back to see who I was. You can go back 15, 20 years and still see who I am. There's nothing, you can't, there's no erasing what I've done or what Mike O's done or what many of the ambassadors done. We're here for the right reasons. If you're tired of rug pulls, scams, and con artists starting a meme that you invest in today and it will be gone tomorrow, then our SHKK coin family may be the right fit for you. And it's funny because when we got through talking to some of those people in the meme space, some of the stuff they were telling me and Mike, we had to get on the call after that. We were like, what in the hell is wrong with people? I mean, people take no type of responsibility for the things that they do. It's just, I didn't get far. You know, at the end of the day, when I get off the stream, I walk up and I got to go look at the person who keeps me accountable for everything I do. Number one, in the mirror, that's me. Number two is my wife. Number three are my children. Nothing in our life is fake. Nothing in our life is fraud. Everything that's happening with our kids, everything that's happening in our world, movies, this, success, our bags, or whatever it is real. And it just, when I got through talking to that one particular person, me and Mike were kind of low-key shocked. We were like, what? People really do what? Just crazy. That's all I got to say. Nuts. And I understand why people are and a lot of times people reservation, you got to understand, if you're talking to somebody you're excited about, you go somewhere, oh man, SHKK, and be, I don't know if I want to do that. But they done bought 25 different crap coins by they don't know who and lost all their money. And even like Frankie Legend was telling the story about how he put in, what's up, Crypto Outlaw? How he put in Karma Carmichael's in the house. My damn words got tied between two people. What's up, Andrew T? And he was talking about how he put the thing in. He put in like 5 Solana, went to like 90 something or 80 something Solana. And then I told him, as soon as he told me, he said, Jay, look what happened. I said, bro, take your damn money. If you got lucky, you're one of the very few. Take your damn money, because if not, that's right. You better watch out. That's what happens. Bitcoin. Now, this is bold by Jason Williams. Bitcoin will be worth $10 million a coin. I'm not saying it won't. I'm not saying it won't in time. Michael Saylor said exactly that, in time, based off of certain numbers and all this kind of stuff. In time, overnight, there's many years and many moons that before we see something like that. But the scarcity is there. Hey, in time. Remember, I don't hate on nothing. You guys got to remember that. And I don't even hate on other memes that are winning. I hate on people who are doing things the wrong way. I hate on people who are out to hurt people. I started this channel because I got tired of people shilling crap and talking crap and not taking responsibility. I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's no money in the world worth my reputation and worth my name or worth my family's name. No money at all. None. And so, and I know Mike, we had some really deep conversations before bringing all this to fruition. So, by the way, make sure you guys go check out Fruition Productions. Spend your time on those who love you unconditionally. Ooh, I like that. Spend your time on those who love you unconditionally. Don't waste it on those who only love you when the conditions are right for them. Whew. Did you hear that? What? BTC in 2099. Yeah, right. Exactly. I'm 10 million. But 2099, somebody gonna be balling. Somebody gonna be balling 2099. Huh? 2099. Let me think about that for a second. Yeah, I ain't gonna be around in 2099. But damn it, hopefully my grandkids be out there balling out of control with some Bitcoin, or some XRP or whatever they're in. Huh? SHKK coin, holding it long term. That was Grandpa. Uncle Mike and Crypto G and all those guys. I don't know if I won't be around in 2099. I wouldn't want to be. I'd be all. What are you talking about? Let's see. That's about 6. Yeah, that ain't happening. Hit that subscribe and notification bell and the like bell. I appreciate it. Hit the like button and subscribe. See, I be trying to say things that's not there. Now, here's the part that I want to get to right below here. Be forgiving, be understanding, but do not be a fool. Now, this part right here was Dana White on Club Shay. I don't think he said it in this because what I noticed about Club Shay, and I'm a fan of Club Shay. I like what he does over there. But in his Dana White interview, they broke down the interview in a bunch, like from the Kim Kardashian, how everybody booed the hell out of her. I mean, he broke that one interview down in a lot of different smaller clips, right? And I didn't have time to try to go through and find exactly. But if you go back, if you just go to Club Shay and watch the whole on YouTube and watch the whole interview, there's a part where he asked Dana White about his background. And he was asking him, and it really hit me in a good way because I understand what he's talking about. He was asking him about his success. And did he know that UFC was going to be successful? And he was like, man, no, because, a lot of people don't realize Dana White didn't actually create the Ultimate Fighting Challenge. They bought it in distress, and then they brought it back to life. And him and his guys, I can't remember the brothers that, like a rich family, entrepreneurs that helped him create this. But in the midst of him doing that, Shannon was talking about his education. And he was like, yeah, man, I went to college. He said, it wasn't even a semester. He said, I think I went for part of a semester and quit. And there's a lot of people I know that went to college. And he was talking about this book. And that's why I want you guys to read this or listen to this. There's a book in there he mentioned where in that book, it was talking about some of the most wealthy people in the world. And him and Shannon Sharp was talking about that. And he was saying, like, Shannon said, why is it that you see people like you and Mark Zuckerberg and other people who just dropped out of college and they're like super wealthy? And he started talking about something that was all the way back up on my, if you guys look at what I said early in my stream, I don't know how far back it was. I don't want to get too far out of hand here, but it was, let's see here. Now, which one is this? I think this is SHKK coins. You guys get a chance to go over to the SHKK coin X as well. So in here, it was based off of what I was reading here. Where's it at? Okay, this part here. And so he was basically talking about this, where I put, you need to understand that there are rules and structure that most follow. And what he was actually saying in this video, and as he was reading, he was saying how most people, and again, this is not a shot at anyone because my kids are all educated and they all got great careers and all that stuff. But he was saying how in the book, this guy who had studied people people of wealth, that in college, or specifically you're talking about in college, a lot of times what happens is people follow the rules they're being taught, right? They're following rules, they're following guidelines. Why do people always message me when I'm in my... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. He needed me. Okay. After my stream, after my live. My bad. My live. Okay. I don't know why he said 12:45. I have to call him after my live. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. My phone's been blown up with messages nonstop. Okay. All right. Okay. That's Crypto Lion. Crypto Lion. You guys, I know you guys saw Crypto Lion. That was a pretty, that was a wild ride. That brother's smart as all I don't know what. And we're gonna be. He's actually been trying to request that we connect again for another live right here. Dave XRP line. So he's been really hitting me up for it to get back on the show again. And so we're going to be doing that. And you guys notice I haven't been doing as many interviews. I kind of had to pause on that because I got so much stuff going on. Talking crypto with my brother, Sly Fox in the house. That's my brother right there. Beekeeper69. Okay, so, but let me go back to this right here. Stay focused. So in this, he was talking about how people in college, or people, they're structurally taught. They're taught, the rules of this, and you get this job and you can make this much, and they start building up these walls of rules and guidelines of what they've been taught educationally wise. And he says in the book, it talks about it. He says, I can even tell you based off of myself and many people that I know who are wealthy, that we don't operate within those rules. We don't operate within those guidelines. We typically operate outside the boundaries. And that's not saying they don't follow, they break the law. That's not what he's saying. What he's saying is we think different. But he goes, and Shannon was like, why is it that it seems like most people that dropped out of school, he goes, because our minds aren't trained to have limitations. And it's funny because, and I'm not saying that to be weird, and there's nothing wrong with having a job at all. I've had jobs when I was younger. The point I'm trying to make is in my family, and so I'm never disrespecting anyone. It's a means to an end, right? Make sure that you take care of your family, whatever. But what he was saying is, and this is going back to crypto, which is why a lot of you guys in this, to be financially free, right? To be financially free. And he was saying a lot of times it's when people think outside the box, and a lot of these people who just, their mind are not trained to be that way. They excel because it's almost like ignorance on fire. I heard this a long time ago. You got to be too stupid to know you can't make it. Not that you're stupid, but you don't live by the rules of what everybody else was taught. You go out here and you trade time for money. If you work a little harder and get a better education, you go out there and build somebody else's dream at a higher level. And that's what he was taught me. And I thought it was just very unconventional, but unconventional is a good word. Absolutely. But that's been my whole life. And that's being an entrepreneur. Mike Owa, entrepreneur. And many people in our same financial situation, and even bigger, same thing. It's thinking out the box. And for those of you guys who are here right now, that's what you're doing with crypto. You're thinking outside the box. I'm telling you, this is not normal. Being in crypto is not the normal thing to do. And so that's what I'm trying to get to. You guys are all in that position, whether you have been that way a long time in your life like I have and Mike O, or whether it's something that you realize, because a lot of people have always realized they wanted to be self-employed. They wanted to be out of the box, the matrix, but never had an opportunity. And that's why, and I say all this to say this, that's why this is so, oh God, Carmichael, you messed me up with that, okay? I'm going to get back to you in a second. That's funny as hell. The two phone thing, I love it. But that's why you guys are here. That's because a lot of you guys that have realized you've been in this matrix, have been in this box, you see crypto as an opportunity to dream again. That's the whole point of this conversation. And I love that interview with Dana White because him and Shannon talked about that, thinking out of the box, and how everybody he knows that are wealthy had thought out of the box. And that's what this opportunity presents to those who are in it. And Carmichael, you're funny as hell, bro, because that's, he's talking about the two phone. It was on another, I don't even know what live that was or what stream I got on. I was telling you guys about getting two phones. What the hell was that? Huh? Anybody remember that? Was it just right here with the phone thing? Was that it when I actually put the phone? Where do you see yourself financially? I don't know where it was at, but I talked about getting another phone. Thank you so much, Ball on that one. I appreciate you, my brother. Getting another phone, and you got your main phone, and then you got your phone over here for people who didn't support you. It's like, ring, ring. What's going on with Ball on that one? How come Carmichael's not answering? Where's Liz at? I mean, she answered the other phone, then she gave me this number. What's going on with Marvin Davis and Bullet? Why'd they give me this number? None of me you have reached. It's for people who weren't supporting and didn't see the vision. Good Lord. When the market was down. Now do I got commas? Your ass can leave a message at the tone. Ding! Let me stop. Good Lord, huh? Pray for me. I'm just saying. Get that second phone. I did. Okay. If I can promote things, crypto. Okay, this is big, guys. And there was some thought behind this. I said, if I can promote, and this is what people got to remember. And I was talking to other people who were talking about looking at SHKK coin. I said, if I can promote things, meaning crypto, I have no control over. I mean, absolutely no control over whatsoever. I don't control what happened with Ripple. I don't control if someone decides to sell off this meme coin. I don't control all the antics and the BS that people do. I don't control anything. I don't even control when I'm invested in something. And then a CEO like that, what's that one coin where the guy was, I don't want to say the coin. He was going around shopping, remember? And they had him holding all the Gucci bags and Prada and Louis Vuitton, and he was on jets, and he was in the clubs dancing. He was the CEO of this company, not like Brad, not like Stuart Alderete. He was out there wearing hats and Gucci-fied everything, and he was just bossing up like, man, he just got everybody's money. I can't think of the damn guy's name, but I don't control that he did that. You know, if I invested in that crypto, I don't want to see the CEO doing that. I don't want to see you out there doing those. So the point I'm trying to make is I can promote things, meaning crypto, I have no control over. Why would I not promote something? Why would I not promote something I'm extremely passionate and excited about? Why would I not? Why would I not promote and be a part of something that is for us, by us, that we control, that we, the people, control? See, Dogecoin was a joke, and then all of a sudden you had you got a community, but then you had a billionaire took it to another level. A billionaire, but the community was strong. Right? We don't have a necessarily Elon Musk today, but I'll be damned if we don't got some pretty powerful people in our circle in time. And so all I'm saying is that for us, by us, why would I not? And it just cracks me up for people go, I don't know. And I haven't had nobody. I'm just saying, if you're dealing with somebody, I don't know if I want to buy SHKK. I don't know. But I'm just going to keep getting into other things like Pepe and Pepe Cousins and Pepe Dodge Cousin. And I'm not saying nothing about Pepe. That's not what I'm saying. I'm being a little facetious here, but trying to make a point, giving you an analogy. Why would I not support something that I'm passionate about, that I can sit up there and call other ambassadors, that I can call Mike, that I can call Optimistic Prime, I can call Frankie Legend, I can call other ambassadors that are in this space, Dave, Josh, and know who I'm talking to and understand the mindset of the people that are behind it. And the fact that the top people in this don't need the money. Here for the long term. Why would I not get excited about that? Huh? SHKK, our SHKK community is real. Facts. I love it. And right now we're talking about it. Why we love SHKK. Make sure you guys tune in tonight. We're going to talk more about that. Be passionate about things you control. SHKK. I love it. Shouts out to JC for making this right here. This is cool, little QR code with the SHKK thing. And if you scan it, you go right to the Telegram group. Shouts out to JC for that. China is creating a fund to rescue financial companies and prevent them from collapsing. The debt problems are global. Gold is a major chess piece for China. They're shaking hands. What's going on? Russia says BRICS must be prepared for the collapse of the U.S. dollar. Jay Henry in the house. Jay Henry in the house. He said SHKKians. He said SHKKians. That's dope. I never heard that before. SHKKians. Are we SHKKians? Are we full of SHKK? Huh? I think I'm full of SHKK. You damn straight. That's the only SHKK. I don't want to be full of, you know what? SHI, you know what? But I'll be full of SHKK. You damn straight. Jose Velasquez in the house. Jay Henry. What's up, brother? Don't tell people your plans. Show them your results. I'm going to tell you right now, for anybody who's gotten in early what we're doing with SHKK, you're already in profit. But boy, I cannot wait to drop a couple zeros. What? Look at my family and what you say, man, you do your thing. Lord have mercy. That'll be the day that I cry. Let me stop. Good Lord. Cry on live. I think, if I saw some zeros drop and SHKK got down to like 3 zeros, man, I would be crying for my family, for you guys. Because I already know. I don't know if I'd do it live, like, I'm so happy for Jay Henry and Marvin Davis and Liz Herrera. I'll probably start talking different and everything. Let me start. God, good Lord, pray for me. This Wyckoff accumulation pattern has been building for years, and people think this is the end of the cycle already. Lots of love. Wake your ass up. That's not the case. We'll see much higher levels for altcoins in 2024, in his opinion. That's just his opinion. His two Satoshis, his two drops. Don't hold him to that. Only those who are patient will be rewarded. By the way, guys, I don't think I said this yet. Anything that we talk about in the show should never be considered or deemed financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. My name is James, aka Six8Jay. Been in crypto since 2017. Have the most incredible family on planet Earth. On planet Earth. How much so? So much that I always like to try to sing, have I told you lately that I love you? But instead of doing that, I'll just say this. This is for you. Woo!
This one, does it like it is. Got them switching gears, new Ferrari with the 10s. On some bullet shit, stop crying, start buying, getting bags, I ain't lying. Money multiplying, call it rocket science. I'm so tired
of this crypto control.
You already know, basically let money go. Swimming in the dough.
SEC gets exposed.
Tomorrow's the day we gon' blow. I'll be better off from selling at a loss, not caring what it costs. I'm buying when it drop, waiting for the flip flop to the tip top.
What?
You watching TikToks on my new wristwatch. Hit the Vegas crypto meter. Hello, nice to meet ya. Shower DAI like we do it all the time. Did a show with Lady E in the bag, man, the next night. A moon party, so you know we had to take flight. So many years and it's still no.
Shouts out to Crypto Tales, one of the most bullish songs on planet Earth. Let me say shouts out to the family. Make sure you guys tune in tonight, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Get an opportunity to meet the ambassadors of Crypto for Life. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Here's the post from Cassius Cuvée. There's going to be more ambassadors than this, but I ran out of room. I ran out of room putting people on, so I actually created this specifically for Cassius Cuvée. He hit me up and said, Jay, where's my thumbnail at? So I got him one. But guys, make sure you guys tune in tonight. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be quite a few people that you don't see on this thumbnail that will actually be there. I'm excited. Again, I'm so happy and blessed to be a part of your family as much as you are to be a part of ours. Crypto for Life, SHKK coin, greatest families on planet Earth. Guys, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. We got Marvin Davis, Jay Henry. We got Liz Herrera. We got Big Bro Tim. What's up, sis? Jose Velasquez in the house. We got Baller Not One. That's my brother. Sly Fox, my man Possum Pan for probably almost 30 years too. Like Mike Crypto Navigators in the house. Jose Velasquez, Andrew T. Carmichael, my brother. We've got, who else is in here? We've got Marvin Davis, Bullish Bird. That's the word. That's my brother. Beekeeper69 in the house. Crypto Tropics. What's up, man? Crypto Outlaw. Appreciate you in a major way, my brother, for being here. Crypto Outlaw in the house. We got Jonathan McFadden. That's only my little bro. My little brother. Huh? My little brother for real. You guys are all my brothers for real, but we just so happen to have the same dad. Big Bro 10 in the house. We got Bullish Big D in the house. We got Frankie, the man, the myth, the legend. You can see him right here on the thumbnail. We've got, let's see, anybody else? Bullish Big D. I don't know if you should ever call another man, like, I'm glad your name is all the way together, like Bullish Big D. You ever guys ever see that comedy with Cedric the Entertainer? He says, his friend says, my name is, what'd he say? D, but you can call me Delicious. He said, man, you can't call another grown man delicious. That don't even sound right. Like, if I saw Bullish Big D in person, I'd probably want to know his real name. Like, hey, what's your real name, bro? Because if I got it, face to face, I can send online. But, I can't go, be like, hey, man, how you doing, Bullish Big D? Like, what? I got to pause on that. No Diddy. Let me stop. Good Lord, I'm praying for me. Bo Rabbit's in the house. We got, who else is in here? My man, David Adams. We got, anybody else? Sometimes, that's what happens when I got no coffee. I start talking wild. Hans Loaded in the house. Crypto OG, man, thank you. As far as Crypto OG, thank you for what you did with the website. Again, guys, if you guys see this website, it was created by Mike O, but Crypto OG contacted Mike, got the all the credentials, and man, did he put something special together. Man, shouts out. This is him doing this thing. Boys got skills. Much love to my man, Crypto OG. Much love to the Crypto for Life family. Guys, we appreciate you. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tonight. And until then, it's your boy James, a.k.a. Six8Jay. Peace.